Welcome back. Uh, Now is a great Chanakya, the magical Chanakya. When he was Brahmin teacher in Dhanananda's capital, the Dhanananda king uh, Dhanananda king on that time, Dhanananda king insulted Chandragupta Maurya, Kautilya. Then he decides we have to them, and he sees Chandragupta and build a big empire, the Chandragupta Mauryan Empire. The Chandragupta Maurya is the founder of the Chandragupta Empire.